Right from the state capitol, prioritizing your mental health. New legislation can force insurance companies to cover it just like medical conditions. CBS 46's Haley Mason live at the Capitol with more on what this could mean for all of us. Haley, good evening.
Good evening, Sean. It's commonly understood that if you get sick or if you get hurt, your health care, if you have it, will cover you. But what about mental health? Today, House lawmakers voted on a bill to require health care providers to cover mental health as the needs for it continue to grow. Representative Todd Jones has been outspoken about his family's heartbreaking struggle to get mental health care for his son, who suffers from dangerous personality disorders.
We're going to treat mental illness the same way that we treat physical illness in this state if this bill goes through.
Jones has helped champion the Mental Health Parity Act, led by House Speaker David Ralston.
This is something that we have needed to have done for a long time, and we're going to insist that it be done.
Both Republicans and Democrats sharing personal testimonies of how mental health challenges have plagued their families.
Over 30 years that she suffered with mental health, and her children and the whole family suffered along with her, and I am so appreciative.
The CDC reports that in 2020 alone, nearly 46,000 people died by suicide. 12.2 million adults seriously considered it. The bill passed with overwhelming bipartisan support, 169 yes votes. 3 Republican lawmakers opposed the bill, saying it isn't the government's place to pay for those needs.
This bill provides no provisions to exempt for religious organizations or other groups that would not want to pay for these kinds of treatments.
Overall, the goal is that mental health care needs will be paid for by both public and private health insurers. If a doctor diagnoses an issue, even extended sick leave at work would be eligible.
My thinking would be that would be treated as if as it would be for a physical.
The bill has to pass the Senate, and Speaker Ralston is asking them not to pick it apart over politics.
What I'm not going to do is to cave to those who are going to put moneyed interest ahead of the well-being of many Georgians.
We do want to note that this bill also focuses in on how law enforcement handles calls dealing with mental health emergencies. It will change how they also transport those individuals that are involved in those incidents. We'll have more on this bill as it moves to the Senate. Reporting live inside the state capitol, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.
Thank you, Haley.